Dear customer, Namaste. Today is the ninth day of Navaratri dedicated to Goddess Siddhidatri. She symbolizes spirituality and prosperity. On this occasion, we at AGR Sai HVAC want you to educate on mechanical ventilation. Mechanical ventilations are applicable at the areas like kitchen exhaust, basement car parking, industries and STB plants, where there is a prone to generate a contaminated air. As a mechanical ventilation, we evacuate the contaminated air and pump in the fresh air to that space. We provide the complete solution of design to execution of mechanical ventilation. For any of the requirement of mechanical ventilation, please call or WhatsApp on this number or visit our website. And most importantly, please like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends for the latest updates. Thank you.